Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Mercedes E320 CDI W210. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine, so in order to get access to the serpentine belt, first we need to remove the fan clutch. The fan clutch is held by one bolt. The bolt is right there. It's a size 8 Allen key. In order to hold the fan clutch and the pulley from turning while trying to loosen the bolt, there is no space made to hold the fan clutch or the pulley. So I'm going to be using a pry bar, and I'm going to push the pry bar against the water pump pulley that's on the fan clutch. I'm going to push it against it, and that's how I'm going to loosen the bolt. This is the Allen key that I'm using to turn. We're going to lift up this diffuser a little bit for the fan clutch. We can't remove it without removing the fan clutch, and I'm going to put my hand in there and I'll try to loosen it while I push on the pry bar against the water pump pulley. Here it is, a closer view of the Allen key. It's in the bolt. Now I'll try to turn the Allen key and loosen the bolt with the pry bar pushed against the pulley. Once the bolt loosens, you don't need to push the pry bar anymore. You just start to remove the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I'll show you now which Allen key I'm using just to remove the bolt completely. I'm using the wrench and also this Allen key, and it's much easier that way to remove the bolt. Now I remove the bolt by hand and take out the fan clutch. And that's the fan clutch out. Next I'll show you where I put the pry bar in order to loosen the bolt for the fan clutch. Here you can see I'm pushing it against this water pump pulley. I'm putting it in there and just pushing it against that, and that's how I remove it. Next I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt we need to turn the tensioner. In order to the tensioner, I'll show you where exactly you need to turn it. It's in there, this size 17 socket. You need to turn it and it will loosen. This is the tensioner pulley right there where I'm lighting with the light. And the bolt to remove it is just underneath the pulley. This is the socket that I'm using, size 17, 12 volt and long ratchet. In order to loosen the belt we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise and it will loosen the belt, and then we can take it out of the pulleys. That's the belt out. Now we're going to remove it completely. Before I start installing the new belt, first I'm going to show you the routing of the serpentine belt. That's how the belt goes around all the pulleys. And now I'm going to install the new belt. I'll put the belt around all the pulleys and just leave one out, maybe the parasitic pulley or the tensioner pulley, depends on which one is more comfortable for you. And then I'm going to put the ratchet on, turn the tensioner and put the belt on the last pulley. Now that the belt is on around almost all the pulleys, I'm going to turn the tensioner and put it on the last pulley, and then we're done with replacing the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.